Hi, gang. Hi, gang. This is Lamont Smith. I'm a little bit tardy, but here nonetheless. My name's Lamont Smith. I'm in the class here at Widener University MSW program. This is my second semester, the first year, and I'm taking SW502, which is I've been said is a dsm-5 course. Background is I worked for Children and Youth Services for a period of 8 years. The last 3 years I was at the agency. I was a caseworker where I didn't have a lot of opportunity to work with dsm-5 but I did refer some of my clients to psychologists and psychiatrists, and I would from time to time put input into that person, the individual working with the client, so that they could form an opinion to what the individual needed as far as their treatment and or intervention was needed. I am sort of excited, not sort of, I'm really excited because I'm currently I've been offered a job with Net Centers. It is a CCB BHC agency where I'll be an intake person. I'll be intaking persons that may have dual diagnoses such as substance abuse and a mental behavioral disorder. So quite naturally, I'll be working with dsm-5, and I'm looking forward to that, learning about dsm-5s and how to put things together, as well as I'm doing it live online. I look forward to speaking with the rest of the students in the class, as well as our Dr. Collins. And let's get it on. Thank you.